Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video, I will show you how to edit message in Instagram new update. In the Instagram new update release, the Instagram edit the message on iPhone and Android phone. So guys, do you know about how to edit message in Instagram? Before the starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Before the edit message in Instagram, you need to latest versions to update your Instagram applications. Now first of all, open the App Store in iPhone and Play Store in the Android phone. In the App Store top corner, the search bar, in search bar search Instagram applications. Here Instagram update found. Now please make sure latest versions to update your Instagram applications on your iPhone and iPad. In Instagram new update, ability to edit our messages on Instagram. Now the first of all, open the Instagram applications from the iPhone home screens and open it. Here the Instagram applications, tap on the messenger at the right hand side corner. Here we will send the messages to someone. I am going to type hello and also send it to this person. But let's say I have sent these messages and changed my mind. I want to change these messages. Now how to change? Now the simple press and hold the messages and tap on the edit option. If this option is not available, you need to update your application. Now again type your messages and again tap on the send icon. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.